Okay, so time. What's time now?
It's 23.
Time now's 20 to 3. What time's it supposed to come?
Oh, it's bloody late. Most trains run late on this lot.
Sunderland to London King's Cross. YouTube channel.
Oh, good
And all I do is trains.
Oh, good lad. Well done.
Only get a shock when it comes past.
It will be quick. It will be quick.
Yeah.
Come round in a second and you can get yourself ready.
Yeah.
Alright? So get looking have a look out of the window and you will see him as he comes, alright? He will be coming around the curve in a minute.
Curve.
Yeah, it's a curve, not a bend on a railway.
Oh, it's
a
here.
There you go, right. So if you come, because he believe
Hurry
me,
up, we'll be here in a second.
Be careful.
right, mate.
Are you ready to film?
Yep.
Yes, he's alright. He's all ready. Okay.
Are you ready?
He's on his way now, so you can start filming because you'll see.
Start
him go
filming.
past.
I'm filming now.
So here we are at Ranskill.
Ranskill level crossing, Sunderland to London King's Cross. It should be here any minute.
Here we go.
Is it coming?
Yeah, he's here. Watch this for speed now. You ready?
Oh my god! Wow!
Oh!